Speaker sir, खूब गंभीर परिस्थिति in the Gulf, and as we are talking today in this chamber, the situation in the Gulf countries is going from bad to worse. And Agadista, every mother, every brother, sister is looking at the missile strikes happening from their on their phone screens. Anik, Speaker sir, a lot of people spoke. The anxiety is real, the fear is real, and it deserves much more than the silence from the Goa government. Why I call this silence, Speaker sir? This did not begin yesterday. This has been happening now for quite a few days. When we say quite a few days, Speaker sir, we know that the Strait of Hormuz is where the world's oil, the world's cargo has been severely disrupted. Qatar has declared the force majeure clause on its gas commitments. So this affects everyone all around the world. As I speak, the Brent crude cross was 114, is now $120 a barrel. It's because shipping companies have basically suspended their Gulf routes. And one very important, the tourism minister is also here. The undersea cables carrying internet traffic across the Arabian Sea has been cut. This was cut in the month of September. But this remains unrepaired because repair ships can't go to the war zone. These are very, very important when it comes to Goa. I'll explain to it. So, Speaker sir, this is Goa's story. This is a government of Goa has, according to me, planned and done nothing. Now, first I'd like to point out the answer, the reply. The reply of the Honorable Chief Minister, it says, it is clarified that there are no Goan nationals, but only Goan NRI. So this itself is wrong. In your reply, you say that there are no Goan nationals. Because आज जोरीतोर बाप बेंजीन सांगला जोड जोड 2.5 लाख 2 ते 2 लाख ते 2.5 लाख गोयंकार Saudi, UAE, Kuwait, Bahrain इंगा काम कोता है. They are stranded there. Now, Speaker sir, there are nurses, engineers, technicians, workers all across the Gulf. If we see, they pay for the school fees of citizens or of Goinkars here. They pay for the home loans. They keep the families afloat. Anik Jannami and Sohita, they are all across all the talukas. The first question, Bab Vijay also pointed out, the first important question is, how many Goans today are working in the Gulf? Does the government have any figures? Do you know it? Do you have a register? Have you connected to the embassies in Abu Dhabi? Have you connected to Doha or Kuwait or Qatar? Speaker sir, Goa specific count of registered workers. When the government so very confidently replies that there are no Goan nationals, we are all Indian nationals, but it says there are no Goan nationals, but only Goan NRI diaspora community. Speaker sir, आज जी Ministry of External Affairs e-migrate system, the system that they use, these carries registration data. So, म्हाका दिसता मुखेलमंत्रीचे कर्तव्य जाता that you need to immediately ask for the Ministry of External Affairs to give you the e-migrate system data. This is the first thing. Jenna e-migrate data, Magadista Sadharan, whether Chief Minister will write directly to the External Affairs Minister, or we need to make this data completely public. I got to know, Chief Minister, it is clear there are no Goan nationals, but only Goan, the typing error. Huh? Na, Goinkar na, Goinkar resident na, Ingache resident kon nahi tinga. Speaker sir, that answer wrong dila. Speaker sir, आज e-migrate system उंटाई तो हा, e-migrate system. Speaker sir, आज 1919 जेन्ना Saddam Hussein also जेन्ना he invaded Kuwait, there was a short notice then, but a lot of people were evacuated. I think the Maharashtra government has acted. They have evacuated so many of the people. I think Goa government is the only government that has not acted. पयरच्या दिसाक जेन्ना म्हाका दिसता बाब एल्टन उलयल्लो चार्टर धाडपाचे हाडपाचे लोकांक चार्टर बिटर आहाय कितली आहाय आता ही चार्टर तुम धाड लोकांक हाडपाचो प्रयत्न तुम्ही कोतले काय कितें आज बिकॉज there is not a single number to call. You have given us all the numbers belonging to all the embassies and their supporters. What about Goa? Why can't Goa have its own number? With whom do they contact? Not a single officer designated. You are saying Chief Secretary today or the NRI Commissioner. But the people don't know this. There is nothing gone out from the communication, from the government. Speaker sir, I demand ki ek Goa specific number, helpline, this should be basically announced immediately. A collectorate level staff in each district should be kept for just coordination. Because आज जे emergency management of ministries of external affairs and Indian embassy, they have to be directly in touch. NRI commissioner is helpful, the chief minister's office, Joshi Bab is helpful, but that does not resolve it. We need, there will be large scale cases. And immediately, Mukhil Mantri, when we speak about this, you need to give us a commitment that these numbers would be put and it would go as a communication. Speaker sir, Janna a fuel crisis today, because India imports 85% of its crude oil, definitely it will have a severe effect. It is said that petrol and diesel are already projected more to be elevated to 5 rupees and 10 rupees. Because as of Parinam today, if we look, especially the calling attention has एक Mormugaon portacheru ullekh jata and hejeru hezo effect jatlo because Mormugaon port, speaker sir, is a major port and is a backbone of the export economy of our country. And today, most of the ships are diverting from the Strait of Hormuz or via Cape of Good Hope. Via this cape, they are all diverting today. And आज आमचे जे केजू export जाता, जे spice traders जाता, this happens to the Gulf of Jabal Ali in Dubai. पयर तू गेल्लो, जबल अली गेल्लो, तू दोहा गेल्लो, तू ट्रॅक चल थिंगा, जे Formula track. Speaker sir, म्हाका दिसता every day, every delay is a financial loss for the state of Goa. Today, immediately in the morning, I raised a 0 hour. I believe you have to convene a meeting immediately of the Goa Chamber of Commerce, of the export community, and you have to look at what relief can be given, what help and what assistance can be given. It's because of the war is happening there, but the effect will come. I remember Janna, Kerala government, today they are active. COVID zatle ma'am itle time ravlo. I believe that the chief minister needs to immediately move the tempo, move the gears, because sir, ये एक पोर्ट सेक्टर, माइनिंग सेक्टर, एक्सपोर्टर, टुरिझम इंडस्ट्रीचे जे सगळे मनीस आसा, फ्रेट रिलीफ, एक्सपोर्ट इन्सेंटिव्ह, यू नीड टू कॉल फॉर अ मीटिंग. स्पीकर साहेब, इंटरनेटाचेर हांव जेन्ना सुरवातेक जेन्ना उलयल्लो, हेजो परिणाम can come big time on the tourism industry. Why I am saying that, Speaker sir, is because the Arabian Sea is crossed by undersea fiber optics, and basically a large portion of these, because of India's international internet traffic today is damaged in the Red Sea as we are speaking from September 2025. And as we are speaking, Speaker sir, they cannot repair this. If they cannot repair these ships, because this is in the conflict zone. Munche Zoritor, Speaker sir, your internet cables are going to get affected. That means we are going to have slower calls, dropped calls, failed transactions. Consider this, we are a tourism economy. And if we talk about hotels and homestays and travel agents, tour operators, because of online, everything happens through online booking platform. But this internet being snapped is also going to happen. And it's because of example, Germany transaction to try kele. You try to book a hotel, then through the payment gateway, it breaks out and goes to Bali, and then because the tourism industry could also collapse in the state today. Aaj म्हाका दिसता BPO and online, हेजेय म्हाका दिसता मुखेल मंत्रीन measures घेवपाक जाय. It will go so bad that UPI transactions can also fail. So all that we see is the IT department, internet service providers, engaging meeting immediately preparation करवा. Nothing stops you from calling and looking at the futures. Because आज जे ये खूप गरजेचे आहे that we establish a Gulf crisis helpline within 48 hours. We need to obtain a table of Goa-specific count of workers. How Shabashki did Bob Wenzik. He was the first fellow to start. I remember he was in the car dialing people, trying to get them and talking around. So the government, it was your duty to do it. We need the data from Ministry of External Affairs e-migrate system. You can get that data of how many Goans are there, what evacuation protocol can happen. Speaker sir, Bab Rijnaldan point kele about people coming back. So, एक mass return contingency plan. मुझे contingency plan through Goa State Disaster Management Act. I always say that our disaster management is itself a disaster, but we have to look at their accommodations, re-employment, facilitation. All these things the Goa government needs to look into. Petroleum product, the ministry for priority for the fuel buffer allocation. I think the Honorable Chief Minister in the morning told us that he spoke to him physically, but I think we need you to give us written assurances. The people of Goa will start panicking in a few days if the war escalates to the way it is going through. Because Iran has made a statement they can go through it for up to 6 months. We have up to 25 to 30 days of reserve. So the Goa government needs to be on an alert mode. You need to convene an emergency economic coordination meeting. Emergency economic coordination meeting between Goa Chamber of Commerce, between Mining Association, Tourism Department, IT departments. Because म्हाका दिसता Goenkarak Sodaj Gulf country, they always had a special relation. Our people went there to build their cities as well. And in turn we build our cities as well. The least today that the government can do is stand by these families. Speaker sir, we need to pick up the phone. We need to call the embassy. The government needs to set up a helpline. You need to make sure that you talk to the people. And if we remain silent, Speaker sir, Magadista, we will be caught for this inaction. The people of Goa and the people in the Gulf and at home deserve a government that governs, not that remains silent. Thank you, Speaker sir.
Speaker sir. हाजे रिलेटेड म्हजे कलीग सगळे वेगवेगळ्या विशयाचेर तेंच्यांनी हायलायट केली. ताच्या पयलीं हांव जस्ट पेट्रोल आनी LPG गॅस कनेक्शन. स्पीकर सर, आमचे डिपार्टमेंट ऑलरेडी जे सप्लायर्स आसात म्हणजे कमर्शियल आनी रेजिडेन्शियल डोमेस्टीक सिलिंडर्स हांच्या खातीर तेंच्या कडेन ऑलरेडी तेंच्यांनी उलयल्या आनी आमी ते रिस्टोर करतले. खंयसरूच कमर्शियल सिलिंडर सुद्दां जो आहा पळय न्ही तो शॉर्टेज जावचो ना. म्हणजे डिपार्टमेंटान तितके खात्री घेतल्या फुडल्या दिसांनी सुद्दां कमर्शियल सिलिंडर जो आहा तो मेंटेन दवरतले आमी. ताची तितकी काळजी जी आसा ती म्हज्या डिपार्टमेंटान घेतल्या. सेकंड स्पीकर सर, आतांच उलयता आसतना सगळ्या जाणांनी वेगवेगळे विशय केले. तातूंत हांव एक 2-3 येता. देर इज एन क्लॅरिफिकेशन रिगार्डिंग द नो गोवन नॅशनल जो युरी बाबान म्हटलो. द करेक्ट लीगल टर्म इज एन इंडियन नॅशनल एंड नॉट द गोवन नॅशनल. बिकॉज इट इज अ गोवन नॅशनल. ओके. आनी आमी जे म्हणटा पळय न्हू, दे आर हॅविंग द इंडियन पासपोर्ट विथ स्टेटस तेंचो NRI आहा. ओके. स्टेटस इज NRI बट दे आर द इंडियन नॅशनल हॅविंग द इंडियन पासपोर्ट. ओके. रिगार्डिंग दीस देर इज एन NRI चो ईमेल एड्रेस, ईमेल ID आनी हेल्पलायन ऑलरेडी एक्झिस्टींग. बट ताका वायड पब्लिसिटी दिवपाचें काम जे आसा पळय न्ही तें वायड पब्लिसिटी दिता. And we are giving the helpline number also so that people can connect. तुम्ही म्हटलं तशें हांव 24/7 वर रिसीव करपाक सुद्दां ताची सोय जी आहा पळय न्ही ती अवेलेबल करता. स्पीकर सर, जस्ट म्हणजे आमच्या NRI कमिशनर आतां पर्यंत वॉलंटरीली रजिस्ट्रेशन हे खुबशे फावटी सांगलां की तुमी वॉलंटरी रजिस्ट्रेशन NRI कमिशनरा कडेन करात म्हणून. आनी एप्रॉक्सिमेटली 2 लाख लोक रजिस्टर्ड जाल्यात. बट डिटेलान आपली सगळी एकदा डिटेल्स दिना किंवा अपडेट करिना. स्पीकर सर, बरेचशे फावटी टुरिस्ट विजाचेर थंय वता आनी टुरिस्ट विजाचेर वचून थंयसर जॉब करता आनी मागीर बाकीचे प्रॉब्लेम फेस जाता. हांव तितूर वचना. बट बरेचशे जाण एक्चुली आज एक तो संकल्पाचो पॅशन्स आशिल्लो. बऱ्याच जाणांनी बरीच दुकानां ओपन करतात आनी भायर व्हरता म्हणून पयशे घेतात. आतां जे म्हाका क्रुजान सांगलेले पळय न्ही द सेम थिंग. ह्या लोकांक इट इज एन ऑथेंटीक नासल्या शिवाय आनी इट इज एप्रूव्ड बाय द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एक्सटर्नल अफेर्स आसल्या शिवाय अशा लोकांच्या बरोबर कोणीच डील करचे न्ही हे हांव परत परत सांगता. तरी सुद्दां हजारांनी लोक जे आसा पळय न्ही हांकां बळी पडत आसता की ते आपल्याक भायर वता म्हणून लोकांक पयशे दीत आसात. त्याच्यात ही सगळी शॉप्स आमी जे पुलीस दिसता ते शटडावन करता, ताका काडटा, भितर उडयता, वेगवेगळे. बट लोक इतलो क्रेजी कित्याक आसा म्हाका कळना. कारण पयशे दिवन वयल्यान आनीक अडकतात. म्हणजे वयल्यान तर हांवें पळयलें की एक केस त्यांनी पयलीं पयशे घेतल्या, तूं भायर चल आनी मागीर थंयसर तुजो चेकूय दी म्हटलं आनी ती चेक बाउन्सची केस घातली परत तेजेर. म्हणजे आपल्याचेर कंप्लेन करता म्हणून चेक बाउन्सची केस घातली. दॅट इज द संकल्पन कंप्लेन जी दिल्या तेणे. आय हॅव द रिकॉर्ड. म्हणजे आतापर्यंत जवळपास 18 अशे एजंट जेंचेर आमी FIR फायल केल्या, तांकां केसी चार्जशीट केल्या की ह्या लोकांनी वेगवेगळ्या लोकांक वेगवेगळ्या कंट्रीत धाडल्या आणि ते स्वता जे आसा पळय न्हू ते मागीर थोड्या दिसांनी नाच जातात. तर ते असल्या लोकांक कोणी बळी पडचे न्ही हे हांव सांगता. त्या खातीर सर्वसामान्य थंय आसलेल्या लोकांक डेफिनेटली आताची CSची मिटींग म्हणजे CS इज ऑलरेडी इन द मिटींग विथ द मिनिस्टर ऑफ द एक्सटर्नल अफेअर्स. एकदा जाल्या उपरांत आमी पुराय स्ट्रॅटजी बाकीची आमी डिसायड करता की गोवन्स जे थंयसर कोण आसात म्हणजे गोवन NRI जे कोण आसात थंयसर तांकां आमच्या ऑफिसाक कॉर्डिनेट करपा खातीर थंयसलो तांचो इवन दो फ्युचर प्लॅन किंवा तांच्या कडेन कॉर्डिनेशन करून जेंकां आसत जाल्यार डेफिनेटली ती सोय आमी अवेलेबल करून दिता. आणि ताकाच लागून आमी मिनिस्टर ऑफ द एक्सटर्नल अफेअर्स हांच्या बरोबर कंटिन्युअसली इन कॉन्टॅक्टान आसतले. स्पेशली 2 केसीस ज्यो सांगल्यो त्यो दोनूय केसीस म्हाका डिटेल्स दिवच्यो. हांव म्हज्या NRI कमिशन मिनिस्टर ऑफ एक्सटर्नल ऑफिसा कडेन कॉन्टॅक्ट करून त्या दोनूय केसीस तांकां पर्सनली मदत हांव करपाक लायता. बट इन लॉंग रन म्हणटा तशें इट इज एन गोवा गव्हर्मेंट इज व्हेरी सिरियस. कारण गोंयकार खूब जाणांक क्वेट म्हणजे फॉरेनाक वचपाचे आनी फॉरेनाक जॉब करतात खूब जाण अशा पद्दतीन आसात. ते जर त्रासान आसत जाल्यार तांकां मदत करपाचें आमचें कर्तव्य आसा आनी त्या करपा खातीर हांव म्हज्या NRI कमिशनर आनी मिनिस्टर ऑफ द एक्सटर्नल अफेअर्स हांच्या ऑफिसान फुडले सगळी जी एस्टाब्लिशमेंट करपाक जाय आनी ताच्या खातीर कॉर्डिनेशन करपाक जाय हे कंटिन्युअसली कॉर्डिनेशन करपा खातीर सेलूय उबो करता. ज्या सेलच्या मार्फत continuously they can coordinate with our department and they whatever the support required जाय तो support तांकां आमी दिता. विदिन स्पीकर सर हांव आतां म्हटलां की हांव CSची आतांची मिटींग जाल्या उपरांत विदिन 2 days आमी कंप्लीट करता. ते म्हाजे कडेन डिटेल्स दी न्ही तूं.
इंडियन एम्बसी मातशें धाडून तें हें कर.
आजूच डिटेल दी.
आजू दिता.
No, Speaker sir, just a request. Will you convene a meeting with all GCCI and all these people when you'll call them about
Speaker sir, regarding the business, आमी हाज्या संदर्भात फर्स्ट थिंग इज थंय जे आशिल्ले NRI गोवन्स आसा तांकां मदत करपाची आसा. रिगार्डिंग द बिझनेस वी कॅन थिंक लेटर. वी कॅन हॅव द विल कंडक्ट द मीटिंग विथ देम आफ्टरवर्ड्स.
ना कितलो स्टॉक हा LPGचो कितलो स्टॉक that the Goa government has for how many days?
LPGचो स्टॉक इज सफिशियंट आसा.
For how many
तांचे
days?
फुडलो 1 म्हयनो तरी जो आहा पळय न्ही खंयसरूच कमर्शियली कमी जावचे ना, रेजिडेन्शियली जावचे ना. गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया is making arrangement from the other countries also.
No, the state of Goa has what capacity?
स्टेट ऑफ गोवा ऑलरेडी म्हणजे डिपार्टमेंट उलयली फुडलो म्हयनोभर जो आहा पळय न्हू ताचे कमर्शियल हांच्या कडेन सुद्दां कमर्शियल सिलिंडर सुद्दां ते पावयतले म्हणून आनी विदिन अ मंथ द गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडिया विल मेक द अरेंजमेंट.
प्राइस रायजाची कितें आसा पेट्रोलियम प्राइस रायज जावपाची
स्पीकर सर इट इज एन ऑल इंडिया लेवल अँड दिस इज एन आमी जेका म्हणटा की ज्यो क्रायसीस जाले प्राइस कंट्रोल करपा आत्ताच्या घडीक तरी तेजेर कांयच सांगू शकना.
LPG ऑलरेडी वाडयले.
स्पीकर सर इट इज एन ऑल इंडिया लेवल डिसिजन. इट इज अ ग्लोबल सिनारियोच्या कारणान जाल्लो.
स्टेट लेवलाचेर वेट दिवपाचें हें करपाचें.
विल टेक डिसिजन आफ्टरवर्ड्स.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.